Empties Review! It's back, baby. We're going through my garbage. It's been a very productive month, so we are gonna go through this quickly because there's a lot. Garnier Fructis Hold and Flex Hairspray. Ultra strong. Very ultra strong. Sticky a little bit. My husband really liked it. It smells glorious. I feel like Garnier Fructis just kind of has a scent to their products. From what I want in a curled hair or styled hair, it's too much. But it does what it says it's doing, you know? I just bought the wrong thing. But my husband loves it. Might buy him one. Smashbox Halo Highlighting Wand. This is old as shit. I think I got this in first year of university, which would have been 2011. I don't think there's anything left in it, and or it has fossilized inside, but you would basically push on this thing and then highlight would come out. It was a beautiful kind of champagne-y gold color. Before that color was trendy as a highlight color, I might add. I felt like a lot of the product got stuck in the thing, and I wouldn't ever put it like directly on my face just for like sanitation and whatever. But there was a lot of product in it. I was gifted this. The color is gold. I got it from my mom, so I don't know how much it was, but if it was Smashbox, it was probably fairly expensive. I prefer a powder typically for a highlight. I do like the cream ones, but I want to be able to control how much is going on, so probably won't buy that one. Got every last bit of this guy. Aesop Geranium Leaf Body Scrub. She's not cheap. She's not cheap. I think I got a dual, like a hand soap and this or something. It was in a pack with something else. Aesop's expensive. I don't know. It smells great. It did what it said it would. I probably won't buy it again. I buy their hand soap, but I don't think I can justify doing this all the time. But it was lovely. I loved it while it lasted. Amazing gift. Any Aesop product, amazing gift to give somebody. We used their hand soap, we've used this, we used a body gel of some sort, and also my husband has one of their colognes. Glorious. Love it, just pretty pricey. These are in every Empties video because I bought so many of them and now I can't find them anymore. And it's so sad, but I'm getting every last drop out of them that I can. The Catrice HD Liquid Coverage Foundation. These are both 35 Natural Beige, which is like my tan color, or like I would use this and then mix in like a little bit of lighter color. It's glorious. I'm so sad. I'm so sad this isn't available near me. Why did shoppers discontinue it? But I love it, and I have a couple that I'm using sparingly and mixing with other foundations, so it's working out for now, but I like foresee that very soon I will no longer have it in my life, and I'm not happy about it. Little story about this guy. So I didn't do a trial makeup run for my wedding day because it was in the middle of COVID and we ended up moving the day on 3 different occasions. And basically as of the Monday prior to our wedding, I didn't even know like for sure if we would be able to have one. Like it was that up in the air. All that to say, I didn't realize that I just didn't think through the fact that I wouldn't have a lip product that would last on my lips from when I got my makeup done till like the end of the day. Ask me how that wasn't something that came through my mind as someone who wears a full fucking face of makeup every day. I don't know. I just wasn't even thinking about that aspect of it. And so one of our friends was getting ready with us, and he was the one that was going to marry my husband and I, perform the ceremony. And he drove into town and I said, get me something like light pink for my lips, please. And he grabbed this and it was nice. It was L'Oreal Paris. It doesn't actually have a name on it. It might have wiped off. The color is Permanent Blush, and it's like a dual, guys. So this had like just a clear kind of like, it turned into a gloss, but it was in like a chapstick kind of form. And then this guy has a bit of a shimmer to it, you can see, which is beautiful. Love the applicator, goes nicely on your lips, but when it dries, it's like matte. And I prefer a gloss. This is great. I love the color, but I just don't want something matte that like has gold kind of glitter in it. Looks perfect, and you simply couldn't have known that. It might have matte in the name somewhere, but again, it wasn't on the packaging. I used this part of it up because it was a perfect clear gloss, but I didn't use this side as much, so I'm just gonna get rid of it. Actually, I'm probably gonna put it in my memories box because it's like, it was my wedding lipstick, but I won't be repurchasing it. Another empty Laneige. It is so sad. Sweet Candy. Kind of strawberry-y, but sweet. Like strawberry candy, but not in the gross like imitation way, because I don't even really love strawberry candy stuff. It's so good. Again, she's not cheap, but I covet it when I have it. I think I have 2 more left. It's a dark day when one of these guys is empty, but like I get everything that I can out of it. This is like something, I put this on multiple times a day. I leave them places that I'll see them and I just throw it on, which probably is why I go through them so fast. It's so good. R.I.P. This is the Alterna Caviar CC Cream. It's a 10-in-1 complete correction leave-in hair perfector. I think this was a Sephora sample that I got, maybe like for 100 points or something like that. It lasted quite a while. It was like in a cream form. Okay, I didn't get it all. Where did that even go? Hello? It's on my pants. But it smells super fresh and kind of like expensive hair care smells is how I would describe it, because I couldn't tell you what scent that is, but like a lot of like higher end hair care smells like that. It was lovely. I would put it in when my hair was kind of wet and then just style it. The 10 different ways that it perfects your hair is moisture, shine, smoothness, softness, UV protection, manageability, strength, anti-breakage, heat protection, and light hold. It just made my hair feel soft and nice and smell good. I'm a really bad reviewer of hair care products because I don't really style my hair. This is like me doing a lot. The Kim K braids, okay? 2 liquid eyeliners. Tarte Sex Kitten liquid eyeliner in black was my go-to for the longest time. I've since discovered a Maybelline one that is cheaper that I think I'll probably stick with because it acts so similarly and there's a fairly big price difference, so I feel like it's a responsible thing to do, but this is amazing. If you have the money or you can get it for free, add it to a wish list. Tarte Sex Kitten liquid liner, one of the best I've come across. This was one that a Sephora employee recommended. I have a previous video in my beauty playlist of me comparing this to that one, and I really liked it. It's a Sephora brush tip liquid liner in black as well. This one, like it says, it has the brush tip. So the only thing I don't love about a brush tip, though the Maybelline one is like this as well, is I always end up with at least a couple of the hairs like that because I don't have good depth perception, I guess, when I'm putting that back on. Just for the record, the Tarte one has more of a marker tip, so I did like that about it, but you can get more of a flick with these types, so it's like all, it's give and take. This was cheaper than the Tarte one, however, is still a little bit more pricey than the Maybelline one. So that's where I'm at. I'm trying to be frugal. Essence Lash Princess Mascara. I think mascaras are kind of like, I kind of feel like they're all similar. Some people will say they're not, and I don't care. Essence, super cheap, get it at Shoppers. This is what the brush looks like. I think this was like, it's pretty old, to be honest. This was probably like $3 when I got it. It may be closer to $5 now. Oh, I just fucked that up. Yeah, it was smooth. It wasn't chunky. It thickened, it lengthened. It did everything I wanted it to. Highly recommend trying it. I think they have a pink one now. I don't know if it's any different, but I've seen it in passing. Essence, a great makeup brand. Not enough people talk about it. They have so many good quality products. A lot of their stuff performs great, lasts a long time, and it's very cheap. A little sample of the Dr. Brandt Needles No More, No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. I've had this for quite a while. I actually haven't fully finished it because the last time I used it and put it on, it didn't fully, actually the last couple times, it didn't fully like rub in. And I did it with my skincare in the morning, so I was putting makeup on and I could see like oranginess underneath my eyes. That may have always been happening and I just didn't notice it. But what I will say is if you have dark bags under your eyes, which I don't typically, that will color correct it beautifully. I just don't have it, so it just showed up orangey. But if I had purple bags under my eyes, that would have color corrected to make it look perfect. It does something. I can't say for sure that it works, like, I don't know, but you feel it. It's like a little bit tingly. It says like needles no more, and it almost, I don't want to say it feels like little needles, but like you feel like a little on your skin. Like it's nice. You feel it working and tightening it up. I do get Botox. I do not have it really at all right now. It's kind of worn off completely. It's been over 6 months. So that's to say that, you know, a grain of salt with any skincare products in my books, but it felt like it was doing something. It would do color correcting if you had purple eye bags, and I'm sure it's pricey, but it was nice. I'll show you. It's like a thicker consistency. Again, this is like fairly old, so it may not have been like this at the beginning, but that's the color of it. And it's very smooth and thick once you rub it in. Smells slightly chemically, kind of just your average skincare. But again, this is old, so it may not have at the beginning. I don't remember. That's truly years and years old. I should maybe not have put it on my skin, but I don't like to waste. The Go Pure Vitamin C Dry Oil, I collaborated with them earlier this year. And so this was gifted, but I'm going to repurchase this. It is so beautiful. It smells really nice. I don't know if there's anything left in it. No, I was sure to use all of that up. But it goes on like a normal oil. It feels like slightly less viscous compared to an oil, but it rubs in, makes you so smooth but shimmery, but it feels dry. It's like, it's a dry oil. It's a new concept for me. I really enjoyed it, and I like this dropper because it's just a little itty bitty, so you're not like putting too much accidentally in. It's not like a full like squeezy dropper. I think it's lovely. I love their packaging. I use their day moisturizer, their neck cream. I love Go Pure products. And I think I still have a code to save. I want to say it was 20% on their products or something. If I have it, it'll be in my bio. You can go check it out. But yeah, love it. Beautiful. Love the packaging. Snaps for Go Pure. And that's it. Comment below if you've tried any of these products, and I will see you guys next time.